How to make sweet tea. Hey y'all, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make sweet tea, Southern style. What you'll need: I use 2-quart stainless steel pot and filtered water. For tea bags, I use Luzianne, and I use 4 quart-sized tea bags per pitcher. For sweetener, here's how I do it. I use a combination of 1 cup of real sugar and 1 cup of Splenda to cut down on the calories. But you can adjust that to fit your needs. If you want it fully sugared, use 2 cups of real sugar. If you want it completely sugar-free, use 2 cups of Splenda. It's totally up to you. Let's make the first batch. Fill your pot almost full with filtered water, close to the top. Drop 4 tea bags in, and here's a little tip. Wrap the tea bag tags around the handle of the pot. That keeps them from falling out when you pour, and when you don't have to worry about fishing them out later. Some people cut the tags off, but I just wrap them around the handle. Easy fix. Turn the heat up close to high and let the tea warm and steep for about 20 minutes. Now this is important. Do not let it boil. Remove it from the heat before it gets to a boil. Boiling can make your tea bitter, and we don't want that. While the tea is steeping, go ahead and add your sugar, or whatever combination you're using, right into the tea pitcher. That way, when you pour the hot tea in, it'll dissolve and incorporate beautifully. The second batch. After you pour the first batch into the pitcher and stir it up good, fill that same pot back up with another 2 quarts of water. Using the same 4 tea bags, turn the heat up close to high and let the tea warm and steep for about 20 minutes without boiling. Then pour that into the pitcher too. Give it a good stir to make sure everything is mixed together. A little patience goes a long way. Now I know 40 minutes might sound like a lot just to make tea, but here's what I do. I put the tea on, then go do something else. I might do a little cooking, eat my breakfast, or just putter around the kitchen. Sometimes I'll even take it off the heat and just let it sit and keep steeping while I go check on other things. It's very low maintenance once it's going. And one more thing. When my husband and son make the tea, they like to add a little extra sweetener. They're not shy about it. So if you've got folks in your house with a serious sweet tooth, you might want to keep that sugar close by. You know how that goes. That's it, y'all. That's my sweet tea, simple, Southern, and made with love. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite recipe. Also in the description, there will be a recipe and a link to my website to download a printable recipe. Now before we go, I want to make sure you have everything you need from today's recipe. I put the Walmart collection links for this recipe right down in the description so that it's easy to find. Also, head over to AuntSandy'sKitchen.com and visit Aunt Sandy's shop for all my Amazon and Walmart affiliate links I may have mentioned. And if this video really helped you, scroll down and look for the thank you button. It's called a super thanks, and it means more than you'll ever know. God bless, and we'll see you in the kitchen. I hope you enjoy it, and as always, thanks for being in my kitchen.